is really the perfect bag. Like, I'm not sponsored by Calpak or anything, but Calpak, if you're watching. Hey y'all, welcome back. My name is Bree. So today I am going to be unboxing the Stevyn, I think that's how you say it, the Stevyn Duffel from Calpak. I remember saying in one of my vlogs that I would be sure to let you all know about any other Calpak items that I've gotten. And at the time, the Stevyn duffel bag was actually sold out. And it's actually on sale right now, like for Black Friday for 25% off. And just from opening this, I'm like, oh yes, ma'am, let me make sure I don't have any makeup on my hands. All right. Ooh, okay. I love nudes and creams and everything in between. And she is beautiful. So I plan on using this bag as my carry-on bag. It can definitely fit under the seat of an airplane, but the good thing about this bag is the fact that you can fit shoes in it. Exterior features: has a durable fabric exterior, which I'll show you the texture. It's really nice. It's like a woven texture. A zippered front pocket, large bottom compartment, removable crossbody strap, and a trolley pass-through sleeve. Inside, a spacious main compartment, interior zippered pockets. And it comes with a 1-year limited warranty that protects the purchaser against defects in material and workmanship. 1 year from the original date of purchase. We're just gonna talk about it, okay? We're gonna talk about it. So the front pocket is pretty deep. So as you can see, you can fit like your phone and your wallet here. You know how you have to take your ID out 1,000,001 times in the airport. So you can keep all that stuff like front and center. And at the bottom, this is really why I bought this bag. All right, so the bottom part of the bag literally opens up into this like deep rectangle, as you can see. Inside is branded Calpak, and I love that it's black on black. Very chic. I feel like you can fit 3 pairs of shoes in here, honestly. I'm about to find out. 1 second. Okay, so here is 1 pair. Second pair. Probably you have to put them this way. They are so dirty. But yeah, so 3 pair of shoes. Then you can zip it up. All right, you get this cute little clasp here. And then in the inside, it is huge, very deep. You can definitely use this as a weekend bag. You can fit some good things in here. I definitely think you can use this as a weekend bag. And then there is a, probably can't see it, but there's like a little mesh pocket here. And there is another pocket inside up here, zippered pocket. And on the back, this is what they call, I think they call it like a trolley sleeve. I think that's what this said. A trolley pass-through sleeve. You can put this on top of your suitcase and just like roll it on the handle. So if you haven't seen it already, I will link my amber luggage set review, because that's why I got nude, because I wanted like the nude to offset the pink. I didn't want to have too much pink stuff. I love this bag so much. I'm probably gonna spray it with something that'll like waterproof it and keep it from getting like super dirty. But then here is the handle. And I just love this. So you just connect them on the side. And just wear it on your shoulder like this. And it's just like, this is really the perfect bag. Like, I'm not sponsored by Calpak or anything, but Calpak, if you're watching, hit your girl up, because y'all do what needs to be done. It gives what it needs to give every single time. So yeah, I can just grab it like this, or if you make it longer, then you can do like a little, I don't want to get my makeup on it, a little cross bag situation. But yeah, y'all, so that is my Calpak Stevyn duffel bag review. I'm probably gonna end up getting the black one. Hope y'all like the review. Stay tuned for future reviews. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share my video with your friends. And let me know down in the comments what you'd like to see more of. All right? Bye guys.